Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy APIs with Twilio step by step clearly. First, log in to your Twilio account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console dashboard. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Programmable SMS section. Next, create a new messaging service or select an existing one. To create a new service, click on Services and then Create Service. Provide a unique name for your messaging service and save it. Now, note down your account ID and auth token from the dashboard. Open your preferred code editor or IDE to start building your API. Install the Twilio library for your programming language. For example, if you're using Python, run the command pip install Twilio. In your code, import the Twilio library. Use your account ID and auth token to authenticate the client. Define the parameters for your API request. These parameters typically include the to, from, and body fields for SMS. Next, write the function to send a message using Twilio. Call the function using test numbers to ensure it works correctly. Make sure to handle any exceptions that may arise during the process. Once validated, deploy your API using a server or cloud service. Common options include Heroku, AWS, or DigitalOcean. Follow the deployment instructions specific to the service you choose. After deployment, test your API in a production-like environment. Monitor the API performance through the Twilio console for any issues. Finally, iterate and improve your API based on user feedback and performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.